If you want to alphabetize in Evernote, the good news is that it only takes a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you how to sort your notes and your notebooks alphabetically so everything is easier to find and much more organized. This is a simple Evernote trick, but it can save you a lot of time if you have a large number of notes or notebooks. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Evernote and go to the area you want to organize. You can do this inside the notes list or inside a specific notebook, depending on what you want to sort. If you're trying to alphabetize your notes, stay in the notes view. If you want to alphabetize your notebooks, go to the notebook section in the left sidebar. Let's start with notes. Once your notes list is open, look for the sort button above the notes list. This is where Evernote lets you change how your notes are displayed. Click the sort button and you'll see a list of sorting options appear. From that list, select Title. When you choose title, Evernote will arrange your notes alphabetically based on the note titles. This is especially helpful if your notes are named by projects, topics, clients, or any other system where alphabetical order makes it easier to scan through everything quickly. Instead of manually searching through a messy list, you can instantly bring order to your notes with this simple setting. Now, if you want to alphabetize notebooks instead, the process is just as easy. Click Notebooks in the left sidebar to open your notebook list, then look for the sort option. Click it and choose title from the sorting options. Once you do that, Evernote will sort your notebooks alphabetically, making it much easier to locate the one you need. This is a great way to clean up your workspace, especially if your notebook list has grown over time. Whether you're organizing work, school, personal projects, or research, alphabetical sorting can make Evernote feel much more manageable. If you don't see the order change right away, just double check that you selected title and that you're in the correct section, whether that's notes or notebooks. Evernote applies sorting based on the view you're in, so the same sort button may control different lists depending on where you are. And that's it. You now know how to alphabetize in Evernote for both notes and notebooks. It's fast, it's simple, and it makes a huge difference when you want a cleaner, more organized workflow. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Evernote tips and other software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.